Hello guys, what's up and welcome to my channel Just Draw. And in this video I'm gonna draw two drawings, anime drawing and normal drawing. Normal means human drawing, of course, and then we are gonna compare it, which one looks better. Yeah, well, it depends on me that which one I draw better. So yeah, I always start with a circle to draw the enemy, so I'm doing the same in this one also. And then make lines for the eyes to draw eyes. And yeah, I'm continuing my drawing with hair. And yeah, I'm using mechanical pencil to draw this one, of course. And after that, yeah, I'm gonna draw the human gray, and then we are gonna compare. I really don't know what to talk in videos like this, and that's the reason I've used time lapse and cut the videos and shorten it. That's the reason I make the videos the short as possible. And also, speaking in videos are really tiring, and at day I don't make videos because it's really noisy in here. My roommates, they are really loud. And at night they sleep, and yeah, that's why I only draw at night. Yeah, that's why I love to draw at night. It's really peaceful, and yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. And so anime drawing is almost finished, and after this, yeah, we are gonna draw the another one. Let's start. And even in this drawing I've used time lapse. So let's continue the video just like this and finish the drawing and then compare. In my opinion, the both drawing are not that easy to draw, because the human body kind of have really hard structure to draw. Like it kind of look easy at first glance, but yeah, it's really not that easy as it looks. And same goes for the anime drawings. It looks really simple, really simple, and yeah, but sometimes you make small mistakes, and that small mistakes make your drawing look messed up. Yeah, and I've decided not to use background music for this video, because whenever I use background music in the video, most of the time I get copyright claim, and then I have to reedit my videos, and it's really kind of hassle to do that. Maybe I'll use voiceover for my videos from now on. And that's it guys, what do you guys think? And for the anime drinks, I've done shading and outlining. So what do you guys think? Comment down below, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next video guys.